AI isn't just for computers anymore. It's already inside your phone, and it can make your life so much easier. Today, I'm going to show you simple AI tools you can use right on your phone, even if you're not tech savvy. These are real apps that help you save time, stay organized, and get things done faster. Let's start with the AI assistants already built into your phone. These tools help you write messages, summarize information, plan your day, and answer questions instantly. Examples: Microsoft Copilot app, available on iPhone and Android. Google Gemini, built into Android phones. Siri plus Apple Intelligence, iPhone, rolling out in 2024 to 2025. Explain things in simple terms. Summarize long text. What they can do: help you write emails or messages. Create lists and reminders. Answer questions instantly. Next, let's talk about AI for your photos and videos. These apps can fix blurry pictures, remove backgrounds, enhance lighting, and even edit videos automatically. Examples: Remini enhances old or blurry photos. Canva AI, background remover. Magic eraser, photo enhancer. CapCut AI, auto-edits videos, adds captions, improves lighting. Google Photos AI tools. Magic eraser, photo unblur. What they can do: make your selfies look better. Fix low-quality photos. Remove unwanted objects. Auto-edit videos for social media. AI can also help you stay organized without you doing much at all. These apps automatically plan your day, schedule tasks, and help you stay on track. Examples: Reclaim AI, auto-schedules your tasks. Motion builds your daily plan. Notion AI organizes notes and ideas. Google Calendar plus Gemini, smart scheduling. If you're a student, a parent, or someone who loves learning, AI can help you understand things faster. Examples: Khan Academy's Khanmigo, AI tutor. Quizlet QChat, study partner. Perplexity AI, research with sources. Copilot app, explains topics simply. What they can do: explain homework. Create flashcards. Summarize textbooks. Answer questions with sources. AI can also help with simple everyday tasks, things you do all the time. Examples: Google Lens identifies objects, plants, products. Translate apps with AI, real-time translation. Shopping assistants, compare prices. Health apps, track sleep, steps, habits. What they can do: translate signs or menus. Identify anything with your camera. Help you shop smarter. Track your health automatically. Thanks for watching. If you want more clear explanations of everyday topics, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video in this series.